Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Lincoln Navigator, a luxury SUV that's setting a new standard in its class. Lincoln has gone all out this year, combining bold design, refined craftsmanship, and serious power under the hood. Let's get into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Navigator has a commanding presence. It's bigger, bolder, and sharper than ever. The front grille has been completely redesigned with a larger, more sculpted look, finished in brushed aluminum or black chrome depending on the trim. The signature LED lighting now stretches across the front and rear, giving it a futuristic yet classy appearance, especially at night. New wheel designs range from 20 to 24 inches, with the black label model showing off some stunning new exclusive color options. Every angle of the Navigator screams luxury and strength without feeling over the top. Moving inside, Lincoln continues to impress. The 2026 Navigator's interior is arguably one of the nicest in the full-size SUV market. Premium leather, real wood accents, and brushed metal trims are everywhere. The seats are incredibly plush, offering massaging, heating, and cooling for both the front and second rows. Lincoln's new 48-inch panoramic display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the gauge cluster and infotainment into one flowing piece of glass. It's sharp, responsive, and surprisingly intuitive. The second-row passengers also get their own screens and personalized climate controls, plus a new available executive lounge seating package with full recline and a center console that rivals private jets. Every material feels top-notch, and the quietness inside is simply remarkable, thanks to Lincoln's updated active noise control system. Under the hood, the 2026 Navigator sticks with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, but it's been tuned to deliver even more punch, now making around 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. It's paired to a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, confident shifts. Whether you're merging onto the highway or towing a heavy load, the Navigator feels effortless. And speaking of towing, it's rated up to 8,700 pounds when properly equipped. Lincoln also introduced an updated adaptive air suspension system that scans the road 500 times per second, providing an incredibly smooth ride whether you're on pavement or heading down a rough trail. Plus, for the first time, Lincoln offers a hybrid option that boosts fuel economy without sacrificing power, a move that's sure to attract even more buyers. As for pricing, the 2026 Navigator starts at around $88,000 for the base model, while the reserve trim pushes you closer to $100,000 with a few options. The Black Label Edition, which comes with exclusive themes, upgraded materials, and concierge services, can easily pass the $115,000 mark. It's a serious investment, but Lincoln is clearly aiming to compete with the best of the best, and honestly, they've nailed it. That's a quick look at the 2026 Lincoln Navigator. With its bold design, incredible interior, impressive performance, and thoughtful updates, Lincoln proves it's not just keeping up, it's leading the way in full-size luxury SUVs. Let me know what you think of the new Navigator down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.